For a radio user who is operating machinery, carrying out a security patrol, or working alone in a plant, the Lone Worker feature provides a way to remotely monitor if a user has stopped activity. The Lone Worker feature is a predefined timer reset with user activity. For example, if the activity timer is set for 10 minutes and the user has no interaction with the radio during this time, the inactivity timer expires and a pre-warning tone sounds immediately after 10 minutes. If the user fails to reset the timer by an interaction with the radio, such as a button press, PTT, volume knob turn, etc., the radio initiates an emergency call. This emergency call informs the user's talk group or dedicated emergency talk group that this radio user has not interacted with their radio. The Lone Worker feature is available for both the portable and mobile radios and in analog, digital, conventional, and IP Site Connect systems. To configure the Lone Worker feature, read the radio's code plug with CPS or open the code plug from an archive file. In the General Settings menu, scroll down to the Lone Worker parameters and you can set the response timer in minutes or the reminder timer in seconds. On the left-hand side, you have to set up a digital emergency system to send out the emergency call. Set the alarm type for regular and the mode for emergency alarm with voice to follow. This allows the emergency call to be sent with a hot mic during the hot mic duration in seconds, so that the user does not have to push the PTT. You should also enable the transmit interrupt parameter as well. Once you set up the emergency call type, you have to assign it to all the channels that are going to be using this emergency type. So in your channel screen, scroll down to the emergency system and select the emergency type you just created. In my case, it's System 1. This allows the Lone Worker parameter to be enabled. And go ahead and write this to the radio and test as needed.